you're curious about first-time homebuyer programs, especially if you are open to Locust Grove and definitely new construction, stay tuned until the end. By the end, you will know more insight about what you need to know there. I have a special guest for y'all today. She should be hopping on with us right now. Shayla's gonna be giving us some insights about some first-time homebuyer programs that you can take advantage of. If there's somebody you know who should be on this live, yes, we are live for real now, y'all. Okay, we are ready to rock and roll. Okay, y'all, I've invited my partner, Shayla. You've been hearing me talk about Locust Grove a lot. And I thought it would be perfect to have her come on here and give y'all some things that you might not know to bring you a little bit closer to your home buying goals, because she is really the expert and we do this thing together.
Absolutely.
All right, so Shayla, happy to see you, girl.
Happy to be here.
Yes.
Thanks for the invite.
So tell them a little bit about you, your community, all of that, and then we're going to jump into all of your programs.
Awesome. Hello, everyone. I'm Shayla Sermons. I am a real estate broker. I have been in the industry for over 20 years. I specialize in new construction homes in the Locust Grove area.
Yep.
My community is a community that features single-family homes at an affordable price, y'all. And we offer a home for every stage of life. We have 1 stories or ranches. We have 2 stories. We have an owner suite on the main, and we have basement options. These are 4 and 5 bedroom floor plans from the 340s, and we have 6 different floor plans for you to choose.
Now, before we jump in even further, you said affordable. So affordable is very relative. So in this market, affordable means 400K or less. Is that kind of where we are?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. And at a 4.99, that also means the mortgage is about $2,500.
You're hovering right there at it, between 24, maybe up to 26 with our promotional rates. Absolutely. Okay. And it can be a little lower. So we'll talk about that.
Awesome. So right now, let's talk about down payment, right? Because there's probably some buyers who are like, I want to buy a home, but I'm working on saving. It's taking me a long time. What are my options? So
no worries.
Let's give some numbers real quick. Let's say 4-bedroom home that is $365,000. Down payment is a little over $12,000. Maybe they only have $5,000. Maybe they only got $2,000. What are their options?
Yes. So we have a few options available for you. No worries. We have an internal program that can offer up to $6,500 towards your down payment and or closing costs. A minimum 620 credit scores needed, and it's a conventional loan. So that's one option. We have the statewide program, Georgia Dream program, that offers up to $12,000 towards down payment. And then one that's really unique to the Locust Grove area is the USDA loan. That's my favorite. Best scenario, you all. That's up to 100. Well, it is 100% financing. And what does that mean?
Yes.
We take away that $12,000. It's totally free money given to you guys. You get to keep it in your pocket.
So you said 100% financing. Those of you who maybe you missed that. That basically means that you don't have to pay for it. So whether you have the $12,000 or you don't, if you are eligible for it, it's already covered, right?
Already covered.
And you also mentioned Georgia Dream. Most people don't know that you could do Georgia Dream and get the new construction incentives. Is that right?
That is correct.
Okay. So hopefully y'all picking up what we're putting down. But let's say somebody is a veteran. Tell them about the VA loan and how awesome that could be.
Absolutely. So as a veteran, same thing. Like, this is even better than USDA because you get additional incentives and you don't pay private mortgage insurance. So your mortgage payment comes in even lower. You're saving up to $100 to $200 a month because you are a veteran. And what that looks like out of pocket at the bottom line at the table is pretty much zero out of pocket. So you're getting 100% financing, right? we're paying all of your closing costs because of the incentives that we're offering, and you get an additional $2,000 on top of the incentives that we're offering because we truly appreciate your service.
Yep.
So that's out of pocket, zero out of pocket.
Yes.
Best scenario.
So two things you forgot to mention. What are the credit score requirements for USDA and VA? Let's talk
Yes.
about that.
Yes. So USDA credit score is a middle score of 640.
Okay.
VA, technically, you don't have a credit score requirement. It just depends on the credit profile. So it could be 580. If you get the approval, we're good. It can be 550. If you get the credit approval, we're good. So technically, no credit score requirement for VA.
You probably got some misbelievers. So let's go back and say that part again. So USDA is, say what you just said again.
Absolutely. USDA middle score 640. VA, no credit score requirement. It totally depends on your credit profile.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And so we're sharing this with you to show you what's possible, right? And kind of take you step by step, get you a little bit closer. But with any of these things, right, it's going to require you to talk to someone to see exactly where you are and what you may need to do to qualify. So we have been saying 620, 640, all of these numbers. But what if somebody watching this is like, oh my gosh, but I don't have that? What are their options?
Yes, no worries. It's okay. We got you, right, Tamasia?
We do.
We got you. We have our own internal credit program. This particular program, it is free, y'all. It's free, totally complimentary. You will work with our internal credit specialists that they will come up with an individual game plan for you and walk with you step by step in achieving that score. Totally free.
Yep. So sometimes when you hear free, you think, oh, it must be some kind of scam or some kind of trickery. But Shayla and I actually met someone, I want to say back in March, right?
Yep.
March or so.
Yes.
And she talked to the lender. She also got her home buyer game plan. She has now graduated from the Home Buyers Club. And she is getting her keys. I think it's like next Friday.
Yes. And I just got the alert yesterday. She was credit approved. Final approval has come in. She is just waiting to sign her papers, you all. It's so achievable. Yes.
And so we are sharing this with you because it's always a way. Okay, you just gotta I'm kind of jumping ahead a little bit, but it is possible. And what's better about her story is that she wanted the corner lot, and we were like, we don't know if it's gonna be ready, whatever. She ended up getting the lot that she wanted, and it is absolutely insane and exciting. Okay, so I got some questions on here. So somebody said, can you do VA and Georgia Dream together? Here's the thing, you actually don't have to do it together, because if you could do VA, you don't need anything else. Just do the VA loan, get the incentives, get your keys, move it. Okay.
Right.
All right. Now, for the home buyers who are like, okay, I think we're working with something here, and they're looking to be in their home, let's say 30, 60, 30, 60. What?
Right. 30, 60. 30, yes, before the new year.
Before the new year. Tell them about your incentive that's going on right now.
Yes, we have some amazing incentives, you guys, for you to take advantage of. I encourage you to come out, take a look at what we have. But these incentives are amazing. We are currently offering a 4.99 fixed rate, and these are with our preferred lender.
Before that, what is market rate as of the other day?
When I checked earlier in the week, it was like right around 6%, but it changes daily. So I haven't looked at it recently. So, but around 6%. But so we're saving you money, guys. This is money monthly. So we've brought the rate down to 4.99%. We are paying up to $12,000 of your closing costs. And for those of you that don't know, The closing costs typically run about 3 to 3.5%. So another $12,000 to $13,000.
Yep.
We're covering that for you, right?
Yep.
And if you close by the end of the month, we're including all of your appliances. So that's your refrigerator, your washer, your dryer, the microwave, the range, and the dishwasher, all included, as well as the blinds are included. The garage door opener is included. So you can literally move in and not have to buy any major appliances. Saving money all the way around.
And if you work with a buyer's agent like myself, they are going to compensate the agent to help you.
Absolutely.
This is no foolery, no scammery, no strings attached, nothing like that. They're like, hey, we got homes. We want to produce homeowners. So yes, we're going to give you below market rate. We're going to pay for your closing costs. We're going to give you a new home, everything that you need. All you have to do is just say yes and qualify.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
All right. I got 2 more questions for you, Shayla.
Okay.
What other nuggets do you have or any advice you have for someone who is looking to buy a home in this market right now?
What are you waiting on? Come get your piece of the American dream. We are here for you. The time is right now. Today is the day.
Today
yes.
is the day. My advice, y'all, is going to be to take a step in faith, okay? All of my home buyers, let's say the last 20 people, what is the secret ingredient was them saying, you know what, I'm not really sure, but I'm going to just go. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to make a phone call. I'm not really sure, I'm just going to go try. And they are either in their home or about to be in their home. So just take that step in faith and then let God do what he does. All right?
Let him do the rest.
Before we go, Shayla, I know you're in Locust Grove and y'all have been hearing me talk about this community a lot. But when can somebody come out to your community and check it out?
Right now.
Right
Absolutely.
now. Yes. Right now.
Again, today is the day.
Today.
I'm here. I'm available. You can send me a DM. You can text me, call me, all of that. Like, I'm here.
All of that.
All of that.
And if you reach out to her without me, y'all, make sure you let her know Tamasia, the new construction queen, sent y'all. We're going to be at this community often, right? But you don't have to wait for me to do a tour. If you want to go down, I can go with you. You can reach out to her and just get your feet wet, walk the floor plan, see what you like. All right, y'all. That's all I had for you guys today. Shayla, is there anything else you want to tell the people?
No, I think we've covered it all.
Okay,
it's nothing else left to say, but let's buy a house today.
Let's buy a house today, okay? Because our goal is that we want to say, they got the keys.
Yes, absolutely. Yes.
All right, y'all. Shayla, thank you so much for popping on live with me today. Those of you who watched the live or the replay, thank you so much for watching. We are here to help. Just let us know how. Have a great afternoon, and I'll see you guys later.
Have an amazing
day.
Bye.